Like, see if I'm filming now to see if I'm in view.
Right here. It looks so more that I just changed it.
Can you see me? Does
Like,
the camera look crooked to you?
Kind of. Hold up. See your squirt bra.
Okay, and
Squirt. It's like mostly right here.
you just push the camera down. Don't do that.
Right here now.
I don't care about that. Like,
Okay, yeah, that's a lot of room. Go where you were.
stay right here.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna see if anybody voted on the Instagram poll that I put. If they don't, the camera still film the video.
Say.
Sick of waiting. I'm still looking. Someone said no.
What?
Who's that? I don't know who that is. A hater. That's all I know.
You have haters? Good for you.
Okay.
Gosh, that's a privilege. You have haters.
Period. Okay, so hey guys, today I'm filming another video. I say that all the time. I need to stop saying that. Hello guys. So today's video is I'm going to be trying to install this wig, and my mom actually ordered this wig a long time ago and she's worn it once. And you know, I've always seen people with wigs, $9 $, the Incredible Duo sisters, and I've always wanted to try wearing one. This isn't from their hairline, even though I do want a wig from Fine Girl Hairs, you know. But anyways, hair is from Wicca Wigs, and I think my mom got it off of AliExpress. I'm gonna ask her for the link. I'll try to leave it down below. I'm not really sure, but as I can see, my mom already cut the lace a little bit, and like there's like wig glue right there. I don't know, I'm not putting wig glue on my head, but the knot, I don't really know how to tell like knots and all that stuff. I feel like they look okay, everything looks okay, but guys, this is my first time. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't have a wig cap. All I have is Gots to Be Glue and Eco, so hopefully this turns out right. And I don't even have a wig cap. I'm going to be using black stockings, and I'm going to try to put that on my head to use it as a wig cap. So it's all going to be trial and error, my friends. So I think first what I want to start with is actually like revamping the wig and like straighten it and stuff. So let's get started with that first.
Like a DIYer. Hey guys, you remember me? You made me hold a freaking iPhone 4 like this. Man, you were just doing a little DIY.
Anyways, tell me if I'm in focus. You just moved the camera.
This little DIY.
You moved it. Yeah, this is yours. Come on, Journey. I ain't got time.
You can't see your button, but
okay, well, bring the camera up just a little bit.
I do that.
Are you stupid? Journey, bro, move.
Yeah, that's good. It looks so clear.
Okay, guys, we're gonna start. I don't know what I'm doing. So this is just gonna be trial and error. This is a little mannequin my mom has. If you guys don't know, my mother does hair, so we just have these little buggers laying around. Wait. Gonna comb her out because her hair's a little nappy, you know. We're gonna brush her back and we're gonna put the wig on her. So her hair is nice and laid back. Alright, so what I want to do is I just want the wig to be straight. Like, I just want a straight wig, and then maybe when I style it, like if it doesn't look right straight, we'll put some curls in it. So, you know, I section it off first. Yeah, that's what I do. I'm gonna just straighten it how you would straighten regular hair. Yeah, I'm gonna do it from down the middle. First makeup part, because I do want it to be middle part. I don't know how natural I can get it to look, because it kind of is like a universal like thing right there kind of going on. So I don't know which one is in the middle, which one isn't. It's just difficult. Maybe if I do that thing that everybody else does, like they hold that right there. Yeah, baby, flying down, bitch. Parting the hair. And I'm probably gonna play music because I'll watch my TV show while I do this. And hopefully my camera doesn't die.
Okay.
Okay, guys, so what was that? My hair is a mess, I know. So I just straightened the whole wig, as you can see. I'll straighten it more when I put it on my head. I don't know if I want it to be like one curled when I do it, but I decided to like try to do the edges, and I'll try to keep it right here so you guys can try to see me do the edges. So what I usually see people do is I see them like kind of like bring pieces to the front. Do I have scissors? Okay. And they just like cut pieces in the, if that makes sense. Hopefully I don't ruin this whole wig by just cutting hair. So I think that's how we started off. Let me see who texted me. Or like, okay, nobody. So I'm gonna use Ica. Hold on. Let me get the Gots to Be, because I see people use the Gots to Be sometimes. So I wonder if that works. So I think what I want to do is I want to spray the front with Gots. I'm gonna spray the front with Gots to Be, and then take the gel and just brush it down. Hopefully we can fleek on. But no, that doesn't really make sense to do edges right now, because then when I put on my head, nah, that's not what I'm gonna do right now. I'm just gonna brush them down so I know that they're the edges, if that makes sense. Okay. So we have our wig, and now it's time for me to start straightening my hair and putting the wig cap on. I don't feel like braiding my hair down, so what I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna take it down. And I'm gonna brush it back. I ain't gotta explain everything. You guys get the idea. Wow, I really look bald. What's that guy's name from Thor's brother? Loki. That's what I look like. Yeah, so that's all I'm gonna do with my actual hair. I'm just gonna brush it back like that, and then I'm gonna put it in a ponytail and like fit the wig cap over it. I just do not feel like braiding my hair, and plus I don't even know if this is gonna turn out right. Then I have to go to graduations next week, so I don't feel like, you know, putting all this heat on my hair. And then I have a meeting where I'm wearing my hair curly, so it just works out this way. I think that's okay. And then I can use these pins to pin it back, the like bun part. But yeah, that's good. This is good. Now my head is like very sore now. Oh, that did not work. Okay. So we're gonna try this out. Hopefully I know we're gonna pair of stockings. I think I want to use the foot part and just cut how big I think my head is. I'm gonna need a mirror. I'm gonna set this mirror up instead. Put it right here. Skin looks so bad. I think this can work if I like push it out. Let me try. Yeah, this does not work at all. Yeah, no, that was a fail. So we're gonna use, I'm gonna try the bigger piece and like go bigger on it next time, like right here. Let's see if that works, and then if that doesn't work, I'm gonna use the big part of the stocking. Hopefully this works. Yeah, it works. It hurts a little though. This is what I see people do. Ow! Ow, that hurts so bad. Journey! The fuck? That hurts. Like, especially how my head hurts. Let me try to get my hair into there. I'm trying to make it where this little piece is not just sticking up in the middle. It's gonna be a good ski mask to go rob somebody. Ow, this hurts so bad. It's like pressing on my neck. Okay. I look so beautiful right now. Oh my god. So what I see them do is I see them like spray the wig like this. Oh, I don't want to spray that on my actual hair. Let me not. Let me be careful. My forehead is big enough so I can like fake the part. Yeah, so we're gonna put it right there. I'm just gonna hold it there. I usually see people like take a blow dryer and they use glue too, but I don't have the glue, so we're gonna work with what we got. Put you right there. Okay. Then we can spray some more. Guys, I'm probably doing this whole process wrong. Do not come for me, please. I don't know what I'm doing. I just know my forehead looks ashy as hell. I'm gonna cut this off. Please don't cut your little hair, Cherish. I hope not. What if I just open it and I just have a big old ball pack? Wish me luck. I don't know what I'm doing. I guess so. There's the inside stuff that I have to hook to the back of my head, I think. I'll try it. Hold on. Ugh. Oh my god, I bet it looked crazy. Hold on.
You look actually adorable.
It's
I think the thing with wigs is just not a lot. It's a lot of hair.
I look like a man. Hold on. Maybe if I put like, you know how people put like, they put like foundation and stuff on it? Maybe if I do that, that would work. And then do my edges really quickly. Like this. Oh my god, get out of my face. Let me brush it out first. Ooh, bad bitch vibes. Like, what? Ooh, if this was like really installed, this would be so cute. Like, honestly, edges. And I'm gonna try to fleek it like actual edges. It just looks like it's just sitting on top of my head. Like, ugh, it kind of pisses me off. Probably because my wig is not that flat. Let's try to style her. Let's see if flattering it some more would help. I can't just like that is so funny. Like, I really just did this. Hold on. You know how people be adding them fuzzy headbands to like make it look like you know that wig not installed, but you adding the headband anyways. I just did something. Let me get some lip gloss real quick to make a video.
What way people actually watch this?
Fuck do you have on your head?
It give me more stamina. I hit that net like an animal. Ooh, she